today. We're looking at spread and lot sizes. Let's look at spread and lot sizes. So, what is spread? Spread is the difference between the buying price and the selling price. I take it again. So we've actually started on the check. I hope my network is clear and you guys can hear me. So let me actually quickly unmute you guys, and I know that okay, you guys can actually hear me. So I said spread. When you say spread, so we're looking at two today. We will not do much because we'll be coming out back to the pips by Wednesday and complete how to calculate pips by Sunday. So today let's tackle spread and lot sizes. So spread is the difference between the buying price and the selling price. Now remember, in our last class, I talked about brokers and leverage, and I said the brokers offer you the buying price and the selling price. So that the broker offers. So the broker offers this buying price and the selling price. But then I will show us where we'll see the spread in our MT4 when we open our MT4, what the broker spread is. And I'm actually talking about how to take a trade, I will actually still talk about how the spread is. So the buying price is also known as the ask price. So another name given to the buying price is ask price. Another name for given to the selling price is the bid price. In my other slide, I was talking about spread. So in there, I said spread is the difference between the bid and ask price. The spread varies between various pairs and also between various trading seasons. The figures in the blue boxes are called the spread. So if you look at this image, you can see the blue boxes. So GBP USD has a blue box and it's 11. XAU USD has a spread of 160. So Euro USD has a spread of what? 9. So that's what the difference between the buying price and the selling price. So Euro USD has a spread of 9, which is approximately 0.9 pips or 9 points. So this is 0.9 pips, while GBP USD has 11 points. Now, so I said the spread is the difference between what? The bid and the ask price. I repeat, the spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price. So if you look at this image, you can see the blue boxes. So GBP USD has a blue box and it's 11. XAU USD has a spread of 160. So Euro USD has a spread of what? 9. So that's what the difference between the buying price and the selling price. So Euro USD has a spread of 9, which is approximately 0.9 pips or 9 points. So this is 0.9 pips, while GBP USD has 11 points. And the ask price. The bid price is the selling price. The ask price is the buying price. Now, the spread varies between various pairs and also between various trading seasons. The figure in the blue box are called the spread. So if you look at this, all these are the spread. So when you go into the MT4 at the quotes level, which I'll actually show us, we will see the spread. So when we want to take a trade, when I'm teaching us, I'll still repeat the spread again for us to see. So this is what we know as spread. This is where the brokers charge us because they are the ones selling, sending, giving us the buying price and giving us the selling price. So also the figure in the white boxes are called the bid price, and the figures in the red boxes are called the ask price, selling price. So the brokers offer a certain pips or points for us to trade. So every time we take a trade, we pay for spread, which when we are actually looking at how to take a trade, we'll learn this. So let's go into what we call lot sizes. Lot sizes. So the spread, is it clear? Is the difference between the buying price and the selling price. So let's learn lot sizes and we're done for today. So lot sizes. In the Forex market, these currencies are not bought and sold singly. They are bought and sold in massive part, known as what? Lot sizes. In layman term, we are buying in bulk or selling in bulk. So lot sizes are volumes, the volumes you use to take a certain trade. The volumes you use to take a certain trade. So lot sizes are buying in bulk or selling in bulk, because the two things we do in the Forex market is either we are selling in bulk or we are what? Buying in bulk, because we either buy or sell. So lot sizes are the volume you use to buy or sell. And take note, there is either what we are buying in bulk or what we are selling in bulk. Now, why are we buying in bulk or selling in bulk? Because the exchange prices in the currencies we focus on changes in small percentages. So if you're going to use or buy euro in exchange to the dollar, for you to make $1 profit safe can take you 6 years or 10 years. So you can actually have a leverage to make more money before that 6 years. So what are these lot sizes and what are their types? So we have 3 different lot sizes. So this is mini lot size, this is micro lot size, and this is a standard lot size. So a mini lot size is the second to the highest. A standard lot size is the highest, while the micro lot sizes are the smallest. Now, what do they represent in terms of volume, and how is it represented in our MT4? Now, a mini lot size contains 10,000 units of the base currency. Remember, during our currency pairs, I talked about base and code currencies. That's why we are proceeding gradually, one step at a time. So you have to know this to proceed to this other point. You have to know this other point to proceed to the next point. So the mini lot size, I repeat, the mini lot size is what? Our lot sizes that contains 10,000, one mini lot size contains 10,000 units of the base currency. It means that if you place a buy and use one mini lot size, you're buying a volume of 10,000 units. If you place a sell in the market, it means you're selling 10,000. I use the mini lot size. It means you're selling 10,000 units of the what? Of the base currency. And in your MT4, it is represented by what? 0.10. It means that 0.10 is representing 10,000 units. That's 10,000 volume. Now, the mini lot size varies from 0.10 to 0.99. So it means that 0.10 is 1 mini, 0.20 is 2 mini, 0.30 is 3 mini. 0.30 is now 30,000 units. 0.4 is 4 mini, which is representing 4,000 units. So we have 10,000. 1 mini, which is from 0.10, is 10,000 units. So 0.99. So it's 1 mini, the mini lot size varies from what? 0.10 to 0.99. And this 0.10 is 1 mini. So this is what? 9.9 mini, which is what? 0.99, represent as 0.99. So this will be what? 99,000 units. So if you use 0.99, it means you're buying 99,000 units of what? The Euro USD. That means the Euro. Or if you use 0.99 and you take a sell, it means you're buying 99,000 volume of what? You're selling 99,000 volume of the what? Of the Euro. Let's proceed to the micro, the second, but then this is the lowest in all the lot sizing. So the micro lot size, 1 micro is 1,000 units. 1 micro lot size is 1,000 units, contains 1,000 units of the base currency. And it is represented on the MT4 by what? 0.01. So from 0.01 to 0.09 is the macro lot size, the micro lot size. So 0.01 to 0.09 is the micro lot size. And it is represented, normally 1 micro is 1,000 units. So 0.02 is 2 micro, 0.03 is 3 micro, 0.04 is 4 micro, 0.05 is 5 micro, 0.06 is 6 micro. Basically, use this micro is basically used by novice traders or accounts with what? Accounts with low sizes. So it's important for you as a startup trader to use the micro. And then also your low accounts, you should always be sticking to the micro lot sizes because they are what? The lowest volumes in the Forex market. Now, on a standard lot size, this is the highest of them all. And one of them, one standard lot size represents 100,000 units. And one standard lot size is from 1.00 to infinity or 1.00 to 10. So 1.00 represent 100,000 units of the base currency. 2.00 represent 200,000 units of the base currency. So it means if you use 2.00 lot size in the MT4, you're buying a bulk of what? 200,000. So how are these MT4 or these lot sizes represented in our MT4? So like I said, I'll be using 2 slides to teach us. So if you look at this is 0.5. Sorry, this lot size, this is where you place your lot size. So you keep on reducing. These negatives are telling you you're reducing your lot sizes. But then this is showing you that what? You're using 0.10. You're using 0.10. This means that you're using what? 1 mini. So 1 mini means you're buying 10,000 units of what? The base currency. And in here, the base currency is gold. So if you use 0.10, you're buying 10,000 of what? 10,000 gold. Worth of gold when you use this lot size. How can you buy gold? That's where leveraging comes into play. So like I said, lot sizes are very important to know because this is where we buy in bulk, and there are of 3 types. I repeat, we have the mini, we have the micro, and we have the standard. 1 mini lot size, if you use 1 mini lot size, I repeat, I'm just doing a recap again because we are done with the class. If you use 1 mini lot size, 1 mini lot size represents 10,000 units. And what are we going to see on our MT4 is 0.10. And a mini lot size is from 0.10 to 0.99. That means 2 mini lot size is 0.20. 3 mini lot size is 0.30. 4 mini lot size is 0.40. And I said 0.30 represents 30,000 units. 0.40 represents what? 40,000 units. That means if it's varying from 0.10 to 0.99, it means 0.99 is 9.9 what? 9.9 mini lot size, which is what? 99,000 units. So if you use 0.99, you're buying what? You're buying with, or if you use 0.99, it's either you're buying or selling. So if you use 0.99 to buy, it means you're buying 99,000 volume of that base currency. Because I told you guys on the currency pair, if you take a buy, I repeat, if you take a buy, you're buying the base currency. You take a sell, you're selling the base currency. Same thing applies to the micro. Now, the micro is a lot smaller lot size, and 1 micro represents 1,000 units. Now, 1 micro in the MT4 is 0.01, and the micro lot sizes varies from what? 0.01 to what? 0.09. So that means 2 micro is 0.02, 3 micro is 0.03 till 0.09. Now, 0.09 means what? You're now using 9,000 units of the what? The base currency. That's your volume. But that you can't be seeing 9,000, but you only see 0.09. So indirectly, it's representing 9,000 units, or that is your volume, and it's 9,000 of it. Now, come to the standard. The standard is the highest, which is 100,000 of the base currency. That anytime you take a trade, buy or sell, it represents 100,000. But on the MT4 is written as 1.00. So 1.00 is 1 standard, and 1 standard is equal to what? 100,000 units of what? Volume. If you use 2.00, it represents 2 standard, and that is what? 200,000. If you use 3.00 MT4, it's representing 300,000 because that is a standard lot size.